Imagine an animal with 3 hearts, blue blood, and 9 separate brains thinking at once. It can taste with its skin, change color in a second, and escape through a hole smaller than its eye. No bones, no limits, just pure alien-level intelligence. Scientists say an octopus solves puzzles like a child, opens jars, remembers faces, and even plans its escape. But here's the scary part. Its neurons are spread through its arms. Each limb can think on its own. So the question is the octopus really just an animal or something far beyond our definition of life? For centuries, humans believed intelligence needed bones, a spine, and a brain inside a skull. Then we met the octopus, an animal with no skeleton, yet smarter than many creatures with one. A body that looks soft and fragile, yet survives in the harshest parts of the ocean. Nothing about the octopus follows normal rules. It has 3 hearts pumping blood through its body. That blood is not red like ours. It is blue because it uses copper instead of iron to carry oxygen. This allows the octopus to survive in cold, deep water where most animals would suffocate. But the real mystery is not the hearts. It is the mind. An octopus does not have 1 brain. It has 9 brains. 1 central brain controls the overall body, and each of its 8 arms has its own mini-brain. This means every arm can think, taste, and react on its own. If an arm touches something dangerous, it can pull away before the main brain even decides. Imagine your hand making decisions without asking you. That is how alien an octopus truly is. Scientists tested octopuses in laboratories. They gave them closed jars with food inside. Most animals would give up. The octopus learned to twist the lid, open the jar, and take the meal. In aquariums, octopuses have escaped their tanks, walked across dry floors, and slipped into other tanks to hunt fish. Workers returned in the morning to find empty exhibits and wet trails on the ground. This is not instinct. This is problem solving. Their skin is another miracle. An octopus can change color and texture in less than a second, not only to hide, but to communicate emotions, fear, anger, curiosity. Special cells called chromatophores expand and shrink like tiny screens. The octopus becomes rock, coral, or sand instantly. Some species even imitate other animals. The mimic octopus can shape its arms like a sea snake, a lionfish, or a poisonous flatfish to scare predators. No costume, no practice, just pure biological theater. And then there is the body itself. An octopus has no bones at all. The only hard part is a small beak like a parrot. Because of this, it can squeeze through any hole larger than that beak. A fully grown octopus can disappear through a space the size of a coin. Predators think they have won, and suddenly the prey melts away. Even their sense of taste is strange. Humans taste with the tongue. Octopuses taste with their arms. Every sucker is covered with chemical sensors. They literally explore the world by licking everything they touch. But intelligence comes with a dark side. Octopuses live short lives, often only 1 to 3 years. After mating, females guard their eggs without eating. They slowly weaken and die when the babies hatch. A brilliant mind trapped in a brief lifetime. This makes their learning ability even more shocking. With so little time, they still develop memory, personality, and curiosity. Some octopuses recognize individual humans. They spray water at workers they dislike. They play with toys when bored. Behavior once believed to exist only in mammals. Neuroscientists studied their nervous system and found something unbelievable. octopus brains evolved completely separately from human brains. Our last common ancestor lived more than 500 million years ago. Two different paths of evolution, yet both produced intelligence. It's like nature invented thinking twice. This raises a question scientists still debate. What exactly is intelligence? If a creature without bones, without a single brain, without social groups, can think and learn, then maybe our definition of mind is too small. The octopus forces us to rethink life itself. Some researchers even joke, if aliens ever visit Earth, the octopus would be the closest relative they recognize. A silent creature in the dark ocean, watching us with rectangular pupils, solving puzzles with flexible arms, tasting the world through its skin. The more we study it, the less normal it becomes. And maybe that's the real secret. The octopus is not strange. It is simply a different version of intelligence, one that evolved underwater instead of on land. An intelligence we are only beginning to understand. The octopus should not exist, at least not according to the rules of nature. No bones, 3 hearts, blue blood, and a mind spread through 8 arms. Each arm can think on its own. Each sucker can taste the world. This is not an animal design. It feels like science fiction. Scientists placed an octopus in a maze. Within minutes, it learned the path. Days later, it still remembered. Most fish forget in seconds. The octopus did not. In aquariums, something stranger happened. Locked lids were opened overnight. Fish disappeared from nearby tanks. Security cameras showed the criminal, an octopus walking on dry floor, hunting like a silent ghost. Its skin is a living screen. In 1 second, it becomes rock. In the next, bright coral. Not only for hiding, but to show mood, fear, even curiosity. Some species go further. The mimic octopus pretends to be a sea snake, a lionfish, a poisonous flatfish. Actors need years to learn roles. The octopus does it by instinct. And the escape ability? Unbelievable. With no skeleton, it squeezes through holes the size of a coin. Predators think they have trapped it, then the body melts away like liquid. But intelligence has a price. Most octopuses live only a few years, a short life carrying a brilliant brain. Neuroscientists discovered something shocking. Octopus intelligence evolved separately from ours. 2 different roads created 2 different minds. So the real question is, if thinking can appear in such a strange body, what else in the universe might be thinking right now? The octopus is not just an animal. It is proof that intelligence has many shapes, and we have only met one of them. The octopus shows us something powerful. Intelligence does not need bones or even a single brain. Life can think in ways we never imagined. Every time we study the ocean, the definition of normal breaks again. So next time you see an octopus, don't call it strange. Call it a different kind of mind. If this story changed the way you see nature, subscribe for more mysteries of science and the deep sea. Tell us in the comments, do you think the octopus is Earth's true alien?